guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Like, I haven't picked up my camera in a hot second, but we made it to Cape Town. It's the 31st of Jan. I think I'm excited. I'm in my new room, my new place. This is the third place that I've moved in. Like, every single year it's me at a new place, because what is actually wrong with me? Like, I have no consistency in my life. Guys, I have so much to do. Okay, let me start at the door. I have to go to the Home Affairs to go pick up my passport. I have to go fetch my other things, like my what do you call it? I think I have to go fetch my luggage. Okay, so this is the door. I'm not gonna do like this video is not for a tour. I'm just gonna just do a quick. This is the kitchen. This is the bathroom, shower. This is my roommate's thingy. She's not here, so I'm gonna close her door. And yeah, this is my room. I always stay like 2 places, so I'm not worried about that. And yeah, that's that.
Okay. What is this vlog about? Just like a day in your life.
It was supposed to be me moving in.
Did you get all your stuff? Drop them off. I
have to fetch them. So pretty. Woo! We're viewing apartments. We're viewing apartments. We're viewing apartments for Ria to live in.
You need a break.
Guys, we are walking to campus. Guys, running steepy said, nah, bro. This is so unreal.
But we can do it.
What did we do today? Vlogging is so awkward.
We went to Woolworths to go buy some stuff.
Yeah, we went to Woolworths.
We're waiting for Kali's roommate
to not come.
To bring, oh yeah, to not come, but like if she does come,
to bring pots.
So the Kgali can start cooking.
Because I don't have the correct pots for the stove. So yeah, that's a...
And she's not about to buy new pots right now.
Guys, I am literally, I can't breathe. Oh my god.
Can we show them where we are? We're still here.
We haven't moved.
We literally are like... We've just entered. She doesn't know how far we are. Wait till we get
raining. That's why the thing is blurry.
Even my glasses are blurry. I might have to take them off. This is where I took pictures.
Really? Oh, this is the place.
Like, that's not that cost.
It's so pretty here.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could get down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me.
But this is very beautiful, man.
It is.
And if I walked here every day, I'd be so skinny.
And have the best legs ever.
Literally.
This green place, people take
it's
pictures
so
here
pretty.
all the time. Look at the background. See your camera? No, like this. Look at our background.
Oh my gosh, hi! That's so pretty.
It really is.
It's very calm here. I could see walking down. Walking down would be amazing.
You just go like
So when you go to the upper campus, it's still the same. Wait.
So I actually don't know how to get to middle campus from here, but I think you go straight, and then upper campus you go this way.
Okay, so yeah, we're gonna go straight.
We're gonna go straight. We're gonna go on a little
adventure. Yeah.
Oh wait.
My camera's gonna get wet. I don't think it's waterproof, so bye.
Goodbye.
Guys, Ria got a plane.
We did it.
Kunzima superstar.
Pretty privilege.
Kunzima ba rockstar. Kunzima superstar. Guys, we came here come out. Guys, we're going to Cavendish right now. Let's go look for a phone. Exciting times. Rhea got rest. Kali's getting a phone. Like, oh no, city girls are up. City girls are up.
What color do you want?
But it's probably not gonna like. I don't think they're gonna have it type of vibe. It's probably gonna have to order,
and it takes so long.
Exactly. I want silver. We are getting our iPhone 13 Pro. Guys, we're gonna like live life, breathe air.
I get racks to go outside and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be down.
I am getting a piercing on a random Wednesday.
Whatever day it is.
Whatever
it's
day.
all week now. We don't know the day of the week.
Literally. Yeah.
Gonna be in our vlog. I know, I watch them. I love them.
You love them.
Okay. TV anymore. I just want to
watch vlogs. I just wanna.
I almost said on. I think it was cool.
Oh. I want this one. Just the
400 with the spray. It's gonna come with the spray.
Okay.
Do you have a channel?
Yeah.
What is the name of it? Then we can look at it tonight. Please don't show me there.
I won't. Don't worry. it will just be your hand.
You think I'm gonna post it today?
Don't show me, Pa. I don't want to get What did you say the name of your channel was?
Kgali Kakes.
You must write it down.
I will. But this video, it'll probably come out only like.
Oh, look, I'll watch other videos you've uploaded.
Oh yes.
And subscribe to you.
Yeah. I'm sure a lot of people come here and they vlog, ne?
Yeah. Have you ever thought of getting a piercing, no?
I have, but it's like I cannot cut your hair thing.
You guys also do nose.
Just the ear. Which ear are we doing? So we're just cleaning the ear now.
Okay.
And I don't want to be cut. Let me not say anything.
But you're narrating.
And you're able to hear that this was me.
So we're just marking now. Did you have a piercing before? And then one. So I'm just gonna mark you up and then you decide which hole to do it in there.
So confusing.
Sorry?
So confusing.
I'm not sure.
That was so
Hi.
It's not painful.
That was so quick, right? Hey yo, take me out to dinner, guys. Valentine's Day, come on now. You want sauce?
Sorry.
Oh, you wanna make a salad?
Not salad. I use it for my like sandwiches.
Fancy.
I don't eat salad that much.
Yeah, salad is like not the vibe. Guys, I am back home. That's the end of Wednesday. Today was like a fun day. It was like a tiring day, but it was fun because I got a piercing. The annoying part is like I spent so much. I had a voucher at Lovisa and then the electricity left. I couldn't use my voucher, so I had to pay like with my money and I like wanted to die inside. But it's okay. It is what it is. So I'm just gonna like have coffee, have muffins and just chill. And I'll see you on Thursday, guys. Need me. Hey. Oh. You need me. Ah, guys, I'm going outside. I can't believe I'm doing a week in my life since Thursday and I'm going to campus to go register. I'm kind of scared. Like registration always just goes bad for me, so I hope it's like a quick process. And yeah, I'll just tell you guys how it goes. And then after registering, I'm meeting Rhea, we're getting her stuff from storage, and then we're moving her into her new apartment. And after that, I actually don't know. So I don't know guys, I'll bring you along with me and we'll just see how today goes. It's raining, I think it's cloudy, and I'm walking to campus. So again, wish me luck. Guys, this walk feels like actual death. Guys, let me update y'all real quick. So I'm at campus and registration was cancelled, so I walked here for nothing basically. I'm getting my makeup done by a girl in my building, and if you know me, I've only had makeup on one time in my life, and that was for prom, so I'm not a makeup girl. So I'm so excited to have makeup on, and I'm not a makeup girl by choice. Like if I could do makeup, I'd be made the F up every day, but I can't even fucking draw eyebrows. So yeah, I'm very excited. I don't know if I'm gonna take my camera though. But this is my face before. Remember this. Y'all, something came in the mail. I got a package. Do not bend. Oh my gosh guys, you guys will not believe what's in here. You literally not believe. I'm about to open it right now. Like I'm so scared. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry real tears. I'm gonna cry real tears. They proper wrapped it. Everything. I'm gonna cry from the bottom of my heart. I'm gonna cry again. I'm gonna call my dad. Oh my actual god. Look at the difference.